Do you have this crazy liquid error up in the corner of your products on Kajabi? Well, if you do and you want to know how to fix it, you are in the right place. Now, normally I talk about Pinterest on here. I am Jennifer Priest, the founder of Smart Pin Pro. And this is actually the group call recordings from, this is one of the features in my program, Smart Pin Pro. And it's been really annoying because customers will come in and they'll be like, there's a liquid error. And I'm like, I don't know how to fix it. And I messaged Kajabi support back and forth. And finally I got someone with a really, really technical answer. And it was like, it just hurt my brain to even try to message with them about it. And I love Kajabi. I think it's amazing. I think it's a great experience for the customer, for my students. But this liquid error was driving me crazy. And so I'm going to show you how to fix it. And hopefully this will make a lot of sense to you, especially if you are like, when they start coming at you with all this tech talk, your brain starts to be like, no, like my brain fights back. So here's what you got to do. This is kind of what it looks like, the liquid error up here on the left. So here is my product. This is the back end. What you're going to do on any of your products that have the liquid error is go to customize. Then you're going to look at the theme that you have. This one's the Derby product, and you're going to click pick a theme. So essentially what we're going to do is pick the same theme. So it's down here at the bottom somewhere. Wait, where'd Derby go? Okay, theme details. We're going to install the theme, and then we're just going to copy some code over that's for customizing our theme. And we'll have to do a little bit of tweaks to it to get it to customize all the way, because it's just not going to, just doesn't do it. And then that will fix the error. So basically we'll be taking the old product and deactivating it that has the liquid error, and we're going to be activating the new product. So we're going to go to the old product and click edit code. Okay. And then we're going to go to configuration, settings, data.json or JSON or however you say it, I don't know, and copy that whole thing. So just Control A and Control C to copy that whole thing. Go back to appearance, go to the new product, click the three dots, click edit code, and we're going to go to configure settings underscore data, and that's going to be empty because there's nothing customized, right? Because it's a brand new theme. Click save. Once that is saved, we're going to go back to appearance. We're going to take this second one and activate it. But before we do that, let's make sure that it's A-OK. And what I found is that sometimes it takes my graphics out of the background, it takes my logo out. So what we got to do is do some customizing. So we're going to have to go ahead and make sure that we install the logo again. The other thing that I noticed, like I have a transparent background logo, it doesn't always, does not always want to load that correctly. So get the logo in there, crop it if you need to. Like here I have a little extra white space around my logo. Crop your logo, do your background. And again, after every single thing that you upload, you're going to need to make sure you're clicking save. Oh, it's taking a couple minutes here. All right, so make sure you click save after the logo is uploaded. And then the next thing that we'll want to do is here on the header, we want to change that image because that's the wrong image, right? This is just Kajabi's image. So we're going to select a recent file. So we have our background here that we usually use. We're going to put that up in here. And again, crop that if you want to crop it. And usually those are the only two things that I found don't really translate over when you're doing this move. The other thing is the color of the text in the header. That also doesn't seem to translate over. Like mine's usually navy blue. It's defaulted to black here. I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna worry about that too much right now. But that's what you got to do is customize those two things. Once those are customized, now you can click activate on your new install, and it should be just fine. We'll preview, and there's no liquid error there. So that's how you fix a liquid error internal on Kajabi. Let me know if this was helpful to you, and if you want more videos like this, definitely subscribe. I talk a lot about Pinterest, digital marketing, and running your business online.